In the ultimate creative showdown, it's human versus machine. A battle of artistry, pitting the soul of a human artist against the cold precision of an AI robot. On the left, the robot begins, its movements calculated and flawless. Every line is executed with mathematical perfection, a testament to its programming. On the right, the human hand moves with a different kind of intelligence. The first strokes are loose, searching for the form and feeling of the subject. The robot's work is a study in geometric purity. Circles are perfectly round, arcs are seamless. There is no hesitation, no deviation from the plan. But the artist builds depth through layers of imperfection, using cross-hatching to sculpt the cheekbone and lifting graphite to create highlights, breathing life onto the page. The machine continues its intricate pattern, a complex web of sterile beauty. It's technically impressive, but lacks a story. Meanwhile, the human touch adds softness and character, a smudge of a fingertip becoming an essential part of the texture. Halfway through, the contrast is stark. One side is a flawless lattice, the other, a personality beginning to emerge from the paper. It's in the details where the difference truly lies. The artist captures a soul in the glint of an eye, a story in the subtle curve of a lip. In the end, we have two finished pieces. One is a monument to precision, the other, a testament to expression. While the robot creates a perfect image, the human creates art that feels alive. It proves that true creativity isn't about flawlessness, it's about heart.